Hey, Bucky. Hey, Bucky, look what I got. It's a laser pointer. Look.
What's that, Bucky?
Yeah.
Fred.
He's like a cat.
So this one might be out of the picture then. We don't really have. Oh, it's only till 11:30. Oh, a little bit.
What time is that other place?
They're open now.
Is that kind of like all day thing?
Yeah, they're open till like 9. Yeah,
I see
9.
that. That place looks good.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he is like a cat.
Is that crazy, dude?
That's so funny.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Dogs don't normally do this.
You know what? We didn't end up going.
I thought it was only
there.
cats.
I thought dogs are colorblind. I asked Poopy what color he saw. He goes, color.
Something other than white.
Go, you know, there's
Yeah.
go there. Because I still want to go back there though. I still want to make a trip out of it.
Yeah, for
Spend
sure.
like a lot.
Is that Ruby's not colorblind though?
Yeah,
Or is it
yeah.
just, I mean,
Yeah.
it's something
But I
like
wanna
Yeah, no, it doesn't
step
produce-
on it and then just have to like turn right back around.
Yeah, if you can't walk around, then yeah.
You want to try, Chris?
Trying to get the laser?
Yeah.
Buggy.
Here,
Good trying, Buggy.
Chris.
Buggy, like you're like a cat. Buggy loves it. You're a cat, buddy. Kid. Kid. Yeah, I can.
What does he do if you just set the laser still?
Let's see it. Bug.
Oh my gosh, that poor thing. You gonna make him not
He's making himself dizzy.
Buggy.
He's like, oh my god, it's chasing me.
And that's going to be